Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the CP Plus camera and confirming network access. This matters because the app needs to discover the device. Once done, install and open Gcmob and allow permissions so the app can scan local devices. Make sure you've noted the camera model and serial number or have the QR code visible. This speeds pairing. Now create or sign into your account in Gcmob because cloud linkage is required for remote viewing and configuration. You will add the camera inside Gcmob by tapping the Add Device button and choosing Scan or Manual Add. Scanning is faster, but manual entry works if you have the S/N. For Wi-Fi setups, put the camera into AP mode and enter your network SSID and password carefully, case matters. For wired setups, confirm the camera gets an IP via DHCP or enter a static IP that matches your router's subnet. Once credentials are applied, wait for the app to register the device and show a live thumbnail. Finish by naming the camera and setting a secure password so you can manage access. Enable cloud or stream options if you want remote playback. Then test live view, pan tilt controls, and a short recording to confirm functionality, and adjust video quality and motion detection zones for reliable alerts. If the app fails to connect, restart the router and camera, verify Wi-Fi password, try manual IP entry, or switch to Ethernet. This single troubleshooting step resolves most pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.